Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll have a look at Hawaiian Holdings HA. It's a very interesting stock because it's observing already a third week kind of a downtrend after reaching the moving average 200, which is depicted with this red line here, and then the moving average worked actually 200 as a strong resistance. And the stock started its downtrend and it's continuing after reaching the moving average 20, which is a green line here. There was some volatility, but then again with this black candle around June 14, the return of the trend was neglected, and then it's continuing going downstairs. And today actually we saw a very interesting candle formation, which is a hammer, but it's a hammer on downtrend, and it formed after the moving average 50, which is a blue line, worked as a support here. So now the question is it a good stock to buy? And if yes, when we should buy and when we should expect some reversal? Definitely it's interesting to watch and buy, but to understand better entry points, let's first look more in statistics. So after having this maximum at around 6th of June, we also had overbought situation here, so it's a classical maximum. Also we saw maximum on MACD, so it's indeed like 3 out of 3 parameters, classical maximum behavior. So this is nice because it's easy to understand the stock from chart analysis point of view. And now what we see, RSI is constantly going down. Now it's in the middle, but tending downwards, so it creates with time every day some pressure up. Then if we look at MACD, also very nice classical formation after decline. It has downtrend, and then it moved through the zero. Then we see some kind of wave formation, and although it doesn't seem to be the minimum yet, we need another couple of days to decide, but looks like we're quite deep already, so any moment we can see the return trend, which is overall again a nice indication. Not yet fully bullish, but quite interesting to watch for. And then to understand what's going on with trends, actually we can see here that starting from mid of March, when this very famous COVID depth, we saw a very nice uptrend here. It was confirmed many times, and this trend was confirmed in April. It was confirmed also in May. Then we saw some slight piercing through, and then immediately it returned, and trend continued actually upwards at around 12th of May, and then we see actually that of 6th of June, the trend completely broken and started to go down. Then this green trend, which we can call like line 1 actually, worked as a nice support at around 14th of June. So there was volatility bouncing around, but then seems like due to this black candle, there was strong decline of the trend of the reversal, and it was pierced. Today, moving average 50 worked as a support line. Now the question is, will it really work as a real support and trend reversal? Or it's like a temporarily thing, and the stock will kind of volatile here a little bit and then continue its piercing down. Well, it's both cases. If you're already in the stock, maybe it's wise to wait if you bought it today, keeping some funds for average down. But most probability is that even if it will have a small slight jump, it will probably take a couple of days, and this line 1 will work then as a resist. It will still from here try to reverse, because if you look at the moving average 20, it has a clear maximum here at this point formed 2 days ago, and it's now going to trend down. So people will expect formation of magic cross down, which is when the moving average 20, so the green line, will hit the moving average 50, the blue line from top. And the moving average 50 is also kind of decelerating, so it's showing flattening, and then probably do something like this. So meaning that most probably if not immediately tomorrow, but in a couple of days, we will see the downtrend, the piercing of this moving average 50. As I said, tomorrow still some small couple of days uptrend is possible. So if you are in position, maybe wait for that. So once the decline would be observed in more general terms, then we can see for some interesting buying opportunities here. Then the first buying box will actually appear somewhere here at this level. And then some people ask me like how you draw those lines. It's actually a combination of shadow maximums or the bodies, the bodies of the candles, and then you also need to look at the volumes. So if you look here, like the base pivots here, basic pivots, this volume, then you put this line here, this volume, this line here, this volume, this line here. And then as you know from the math, you need just a couple of 2 points is enough to draw a line. Well, in candle analysis, you need a little bit more for the confidence, but that's how we draw this line. So then another line would be with a nice buy is actually then this one. Again, we can see shadows here to support it, and then here some volatility. So based on that, we can say there will be 2 boxes to buy, box 1 and box 2 with a strong buy, and everything that would be below the moving average 50, which is blue line, I will call it 0 zone. So you can already start buying there because it even might be that the reversal will be observed here, but then keep some funds for average down. So the probability going to level 1, the box 1, actually is quite high. Then the reversal should take place, and if you think of where to sell, I would say we should definitely face this area, or another sell area which is for most safe sell would be here somewhere, which is actually current price of today. So these 2 lines, let's call it resist 1 and resist 2, would be interesting, some sell opportunities. So actually anything in between would be interesting to sell. So that was it for Hawaiian holdings. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.